Jasper.ai review video. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'll be doing an honest and thorough review going over literally everything you need to know about the new Jasper.ai tool. And it's actually not a new tool, it's just been renamed recently. They're formerly known as Javas, and then as in the past they're also known as Conversion.ai. So they've changed the name quite a few times, and I wanted to do a thorough review going over what we know about this tool, going through the members area most importantly, so you can get a good idea of what it's like firsthand, going through the templates and recipes and so much more in today's video. So if you do find value in today's video, make sure to leave a like, as it does support the channel and it allows us to create more free review videos like this in the future for you guys. So yeah, if you guys click the top link down below in the description, you can actually learn more. If you haven't signed up for Jasper.ai already, you can actually take advantage of this special free trial offer right here. We can claim 10,000 words for free. So if you do want to get 10,000 words for free and start test driving and getting a free trial of Jasper.ai before you commit to it, you can click the top link down below and you can go ahead and claim your 10,000 words for free right here and try it out firsthand to see if it's going to be right for you, most importantly, right? And if we go over here, these are the pricing plans. So if we go back to my members area right here, you'll see right here that I'm with the boss mode plan right here. And the boss mode plan does give you extra features. So you can see the full feature list right here. And we'll probably go through this in a lot more detail throughout today's video, so stay tuned. But basically, as you can see, depending on how many words you use per month is how much you're going to be paying. So if you're using a lot of words per month, then you're going to be paying more. So, but basically the starting prices right here are going to be 29 a month, 59 a month. It's obviously going to depend how many words you use and a lot more other different things to consider. You can see right here, this is the dashboard right here. So you'll see that we agreed with getting started videos. So there's plenty of training videos that can help us get started. The Jasper bootcamp right here. So again, this is going to really help us use Jasper to its full potential. So as you can see, the basics, how Jasper thinks, how to use the templates, how to use the documents, account management, bootcamp completion, Jasper certification, all that type of stuff. So if we go over here, we can learn how to use templates right here. There's videos, and there's 50 plus different templates that allow us to really use Jasper to its full potential. So there's a lot of training right off the bat, guys, that we can use to go ahead and learn and take advantage of everything we need to know about Jasper. And there's obviously a Facebook group as well. So there's a community where you can get help and ask questions and learn from other Jasper members as well. So you can really take advantage of that as well. So again, learn from over 40,000 other experts leading the AI copywriting and content creation space. We have users from top companies. That's what they're saying right here in the Jasper dashboard right here. And I also wanted to check out the reviews as well. So I really wanted to make sure that this tool was well established. I knew it was been around for a long time, but I wanted to make sure that it was actually offering a lot of value to people. And I was over here on Trustpilot right here, and as you can see, they have pretty good reviews with 90% of people right here at the time of recording this video, at least anyway, with a lot of people really liking the software and a lot of people really giving their opinions on how easy it is to use and how powerful this AI tool really is. So this alone got me curious. So here we are today recording this video, and I'm going to be trying out this tool as well. And I have been trying it out for a little bit, but I wanted to make this review video so you can really join the journey with me and see if this tool is going to be right for you, most importantly. So again, you can get a free trial as well, so feel free to click the top link down below if you do want to learn more and get 10,000 words for free and literally try out Jasper for free with the free trial offer right here. That's going to be available at the time of recording this video. So if you do want to see if it's still this free trial offer is still around, then feel free to click the top link down below to learn more. Okay, so if we go over here to templates, you'll see that this is going to be a template section right here. And this is going to be your building blocks for great copy. So whether you want to have templates or do you use Jasper.ai for your email marketing. I know a lot of people like to use it for blogs. That's personally what I like to use Jasper.ai for. That's my favorite thing is when it comes to writing blogs. For either you can try it out for your money sites. I personally like to use it for tier 2 content though. And if I have an expired domain, or I want to whip out content really, really quickly, and I want to mass produce a bunch of content, then I'll use Jasper.ai. So I like to use Jasper.ai for content as well. And a lot of times the content could be actually really high quality. So use it for websites, like I said, perfect headline, website sub headline. So you can use this tool for all the finite little details of whatever you want to do, basically, whether it's your headlines, or if we go over here to email, persuasive bullet points, personalized cold emails, email subject lines right here. There's plenty of different frameworks right here as well we can take advantage of. Blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, And even when it comes to ads as well, so if you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, you can use Jasper.ai for that as well. Maybe you have like an e-commerce business, so you'd use it to create like a product description, whether that's also for your Amazon product features, bullets, Amazon product description. If we go over here to social media, creative story, photo, post, captions. So guys, we can use Jasper.ai for a variety of different platforms and different purposes. So social media, photo, post, captions, personal bio right here, Pinterest pin title and description, engaging questions, Quora answers. I mean, there's just so many different things right here. Google My Business offer post, explain to a child. What is that? Rephrase text to make it easier to read and understand. So, I mean, when it comes to marketing, guys, by the way, the more simple the language is, the more easier it is to appeal to people as well. I've noticed, so that can be a powerful feature as well. And again, there's so many different things we can use right here. Google ad headlines, videos. So if you're doing YouTube as well, you can use this to create video script outline, video titles, video script and hook, SEO as well, if you guys are big SEO fans. So right off the bat, these are the templates right here. There's quite a lot, and there's a lot of different things we can use Jasper.ai for. If we go over here to recipes as well, you'll see that if we go over here, we can start from a featured recipe. Copy an example recipe can help you build your own, whether that be the blog post, the idea factory, Facebook ad, product review, blog post as well. That actually sounds pretty cool. The video script blueprint from show notes. So we can actually, or the cold email. So we can open the recipe right here. So let's just use the product review blog post for an example. And it says right here, learn how to write 10 times faster product review blog post if you're looking for a way that will increase your blogging output and make more sales from your affiliate website. Then this is going to be the right video for you. So it goes over like a video tutorial right here. We can click on run. All right. And as you can see, new document created from recipe. So it'll give us like some instructions and a bit of a tutorial. So click on compose to make Jasper continue running for you. When the button is disabled, write 10 more words on your own before Jasper can go ahead and write. Or go again. Okay. So it gives us like an example, like a bit of a video right here. You can learn more. So I'm just going to go through this briefly so you can get a big picture overview. So it's pretty cool. So if we go over here to done, as you can see, we have the recipe and the template right here. So this is where we can actually start working and we can start typing and really just start using this to its full potential. So it can be very, 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 very interesting template to use. And I mean, this is just one recipe as well, guys. There's plenty of recipes for various different things as well. So I don't want this video being overly long. This video can easily be an hour long, and there's plenty of tutorials on the website that goes over how you can use every finite detail of Jasper.ai. So I'll strongly recommend, again, trying out the free trial of Jasper.ai so you can really see if it's right for you by actually trying out the tool firsthand for free, so you can really get a idea if this tool's going to be right for you. But nevertheless, I wanted to actually give you a bit of a demo as well in today's video. So if we go over here to templates, again, we can choose whatever we want to create copy for right here. That's available on the Jasper.ai website. So if we go over here to email, let's just say, for example, that, because I know a lot of people are email marketers as well that are watching this video. I mean, you could be an SEO. I mean, a lot of different types of people watching this video. So I can't possibly go through every little template in today's video, because like I said, this video will be way too long. And I want to give you like a bit of a review and a review so you can see what this tool is like. And if we go over here to email subject lines, we test this out right here. What we can do is actually use this Jasper.ai tool to basically generate email subject lines that gets like readers to open. So that's what they're saying right here. Write compelling email subject lines that get readers to open. Well, that's the goal of email marketing, right? So what you want to do right here is put in your company product name. So for today's video, I'm just going to use Jasper.ai. And then we can choose a tone of voice right here. So as you can see, some examples include witty, friendly, angry, polite, professional. So let's just put in friendly. And then you can basically say what your email is about. So you want to give the Jasper.ai tool as much information as possible regarding what your email is about. And that's going to allow it to basically generate the best results for you when it comes to like generating like proficient subject lines you can actually use, right? So if you just like be really vague, so let's just say you, for example, just say, I am promoting a new marketing tool. That's going to be way too vague, right? So it's kind of like common sense to a certain degree. I mean, yes and no, but I feel like you just need to give it as much information as possible. I found that way it works a lot more better for you, right? So just keep that in mind. You want to be very, very specific. So in this example right here, it just says right here, this email is promoting the launch of a new software that uses, AI. So we're explaining that, this software uses AI to write high performing marketing copy, and that the offer is going to give you a 50% discount. Then you can click on generate AI content. It'll generate that right now. And then as you can see, it's going to actually generate and give you an email subject line right here. So get 50% off our new AI copywriting software today. We can generate it again. It'll give us different subject lines each time that we can use. So introducing Jasper.ai, do it again. And again, we can get multiple different subject lines just by doing this. So it's pretty cool stuff. And if we go over here to the pricing plans, again, we went over this as well in today's video briefly, as you can see right here. You do get a lot more with the boss mode plan. That's personally what I'm using right here. As you can see, the boss mode plan. So I do, recommend going with the boss mode plan if you do want full functionality of the Jasper.ai software. If you are on a budget, then the starter plan might be a good way to begin as well. And you can switch to the yearly billing plan and save 2 months for free and save 16%. So you will be paying like upfront if you pay yearly. So you'll be paying like once a year. But you do end up like saving a lot more money long term as well if you do intend to use Jasper.ai long term as well. So that's something to consider. Okay, so you kind of like see the big difference between the two plans right here. So as you can see right here, the 50 plus templates, 25 languages, documents, Jasper commands, SEO mode as well, recipes, plagiarism checker, new bonus, Grammarly. We went over the recipes in today's video as well. So for an example, you won't be getting access to that with the standard Jasper plan that starts at $29 a month. So you won't be getting that with a startup plan, but you get access to that in the boss mode plan, which seems to be the reason why this option seems to be the most popular, is what they're saying right here. Which makes sense. That's why I ended up like choosing the Jasper.ai boss mode plan, because I want to get full functionality to everything, including the recipes and a lot more as well. So as you can see, there's a big difference actually in these two plans. So choose what plan is going to be right for you, but just understand that the starter plan is going to be, well, we obviously know that, a lot more limited in comparison to the boss mode plan. So just keep that in mind. And I just want to give you a review and go through the members area and go through the templates and recipes and the pricing plans and show you how you can get a free trial of Jasper.ai as well and all that type of stuff in today's video. Hope you found a bunch of value in today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to comment down below this video and I'll do my best to get back to you. And I hope you found a bunch of value in this Jasper.ai review video. If you do want to try it out, feel free to click the top link down below so you can get 10,000 words for free and try out Jasper.ai yourself to see if it's going to be right for you personally. And yeah, that's my Jasper.ai review video.